Hi, I'm Gloria, and welcome to another video in the Celoxis Learning series. In this tutorial, we'll see how to create a project status report. Let's dive in. Log into your account and click on Reports from the left-hand side menu. Then click on All Reports. From the All Reports screen, click on the New button. Now, select Project Status from the slide panel list. Let's give this report a suitable name, and then click on the Next button. This will take you to the Output tab. Celoxis allows you to create a wide range of reports using different output types. Here, select the tabular option. In the Columns section, you can add columns based on your reporting requirements. We'll remove the default columns provided and add the ones shown in the video. You can also sort the report using different columns, decide the display order, and group the data by manager. This helps you quickly understand which projects these updates are associated with. Now, click Next to navigate to the Filters tab. Since we want to see the project status for this week, we'll add a date filter and set it to this week. Next, add a project % complete filter and set the value to less than 100. Click Next to access the Settings tab. Choose your sharing preferences and click Add to save the report. That's it. You've successfully created a project status report in Celoxis. Thank you for watching. I'm Gloria, and I'll catch you in the next one.